It seems that BIDI is going on a car trip. Watch out, BIDI! There's a nail on the ground. Yikes! The car's tire has been punctured by the nail. BIDI, why don't we call Robi to help us? Hello, Robi! BIDI's car tire is flat. We need to change the car's wheel. Can you help us? What could Robi help us with? A piano? No. A gas station? Nope. A jack? Yes! With the jack, we can lift the car! Here's Robi's generator. We need a jack. Come on, Robi, press the button. There's the capsule. Come on, Robi, let's take it to BIDI. BIDI, we have the capsule. It's about to open. Look! Here's the jack we needed. Let's lift the car to remove the wheel. First, we need to place the jack under the car. Now, let's use the lever to lift the car. Great! Look at the shape of the wheel bolt head. Which tool should we use? The drill? Nope. The hammer? No. The wrench? Yes! The wrench will do. Fantastic! Hey, BIDI, we need a new wheel. Where can we get one? Did you figure it out? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, BIDI, start the machine! We need a wheel for the car. Now, let's input the necessary materials into the machine. Rubber for the tire. And metal for the rim. Let's do this. Come on, BIDI, press the button. What happened? The machine has produced 3 wheels. Which one should we pick? This triangular-shaped one? Nope. This square-shaped one? No. The round wheel? Yes! Let's put the round wheel on the car. we place the new wheel. And now, we reattach the bolt using a wrench. Finally, we're going to lower the car with the jack. Done! We've repaired the car! Fantastic! Goodbye, Biddy! Have a safe trip! Wait, Biddy! Robi wants to go with you! All set now! Safe travels!